Hello, my name is Lucia, and I have been taking the course Second Nature Cycles with Megan for a couple of months now. I am pretty much almost done with the course. I only have a couple of sessions left, and I just feel so empowered and so grateful and proud of myself for actually doing this course and taking the time to learn fertility awareness. And I just really wanted to express my experience, and hopefully it inspires other women to go ahead and sign up for this course because it's truly amazing. What motivated me to learn the fertility awareness method was I was on birth control for a really long time. I'm 25 and I had been on birth control since I was 17, so for about 8 years. And I recently, about a year ago, started learning about the negative side effects. I had always felt okay. Birth control, I hadn't had any bad effects on me that I knew of, so that's why I just kept taking it for years, and I felt really comfortable with it. You know, it was easy. I was just popping a pill, and then I learned about how terrible that pill is for you, even if you don't feel the side effects. Inside of your body, the pill just does so much that is not right, and it completely cuts off it shuts down the ovulation. It shuts down the communication between your brain and your ovaries, and it just shuts down this whole beautiful natural process that we have. It also affects your libido, your microbiome. It's so many things, and I started to get really curious of how it would be like to not be on birth control. And of course I wanted to live a healthier life. I didn't know that I was popping this pill that was doing all these things, and meanwhile I've always taken care of myself in other ways, in what I eat and working out, yet I was taking this pill. So I was like, I can't do this doesn't align with me anymore. So I was super scared to get pregnant, to not know, when I was fertile. I thought we could get pregnant in any day and point of our cycle. I didn't even know that there were phases to our cycle, and it's just crazy to me that this was only a few months ago, and now I know all of these things. So that's what brought me here. I began to look online for holistic ways of doing birth control, and I stumbled upon Megan's YouTube channel, and I started to just watch some videos that she had there, and I just knew that just from hearing her speak, you can just tell that she's just a really sweet and genuine person that would be a great teacher. Like, I could just tell. I was like, I think this is it. And so I had a call with her. She explained a little bit about the course, and then I just signed up right there. I was like, I'm gonna do it. I was super scared, super nervous, super stressed. And Megan has, the way she is and the way that she's been present with me through the whole course, it's just made it it's made me enjoy the journey. Instead of it being this whole stressful thing. Like, once I actually started to learn, and once I really began to experience Megan as a teacher, as a guide in this journey, it just flew by. And all of a sudden now I'm charting, and it's like brushing your teeth. It's only my third cycle, but it's already feeling that way. Like, I wake up instantly, I check my cervical mucus instantly. I just put it on my Read Your Body app. I have Tempdrop, and it's comfortable to sleep in. It doesn't bother me at all. I thought it was gonna bother me, but it doesn't. I pop it in there every morning. My temperature, it's just so easy. It's become like just one more little thing I do every day, and it's one more little thing that makes such a huge difference in my life. now I know when I'm fertile. I know when I'm about to get my period. I know how my cycle works, because every cycle is so unique to each person, and I just can't recommend it enough. I'm like, I just want to shout it from the highest mountain. And this video is already probably too long, but I so recommend this. I think every single woman should know how to do this method. It's so fulfilling and wholesome. What I've liked best about working with Megan is just how comfortable she's made me feel being her student. She really makes it clear that it's totally okay to ask as many questions as you need to ask. Even if it's the same question twice, she will always give you a great answer, very in-depth. And the course already has so much information, yet, since it's a lot, sometimes you forget something or you ask. And at the beginning I was a little shy to ask Megan. I didn't want to bother her, and she was like, no, like, you can ask me as much as you want, it's never a bother. And I really did feel like I wasn't a bother. I felt like I was able to just ask questions, to just kind of have her there with me throughout it. She just held my hand through it, and that made everything just feel so sweet and just, I don't know, that much more special. It's almost like, she'll be like your big sister, or like your cousin or something, just like a really supportive woman in your life during this course. So the way that this course has affected my relationship in a really positive way is, well, first of all, I'm not stressed anymore about the possibility of getting pregnant, because now I know that it's just up to me, and now I know how to be safe, and I know exactly where I am in my cycle, which is just so empowering. And having that stress lifted off of me, it's increased my libido. It's made me feel more safe and more calm with intimacy with my partner. Also, of course, birth control, looking back, I do feel like birth control did take away my libido a little bit, and now it's just so cool to see how my libido fluctuates throughout my cycle. It's usually higher like right before ovulation and during ovulation. And it's just so cool to see, which is one, you should be careful, right? But there are still so many other ways to have an intimate time with your partner. And it's just so cool to be able to tell him, where I'm at in my cycle, what we need to do if we were to have intimacy. And he's always so open, and he's so supportive, and he thinks it's so cool that I'm doing this, and he always listens whenever I want to like share about everything I'm learning. He's super into it. He loves to learn more about our anatomy as women, and it's just really exciting to be able to be like, hey, I just started my ovulation phase, we need to be careful. It's like, it just feels so empowering to know. And yeah, life just feels better. Really, it's not an exaggeration. I can't believe that I didn't take this course sooner, but I'm so glad I did. So much more I could say, but so in conclusion, if you're thinking of doing this course and you feel called to it, but maybe that voice inside of you that says, I want to do it, maybe it's, maybe there's some fear over that, or there's some fear of judgment, or just, whatever it is, overwhelmingness, try to listen to that voice, because at the end of the day, our intuition knows what we need and what's best for us. And when you choose that, it comes with so many gifts. And of course, it seems like such a big deal, but then it's just something that you do weekly, and then before you know it, you're charting, and before you know it, you know how to do the fertility awareness method, and you're doing it, and it just happens like that. And it seems so overwhelming, but it's not a biggie. It's a biggie in the sense of it's gonna bring so much to your life, but it's not this crazy thing like getting a master's degree. You know, it's just learning, and it's so fun to learn. It's not only empowering and beautiful, and it brings confidence. It's not only all of that, it also, you know, and of course it also serves as a form of birth control. It's also just so entertaining. Like, you know, of course you have to take your notes and make sure that you're studying the information, but it's just so fun to just sit back and watch the video and learn about our anatomy. It's fascinating. So also I cycle sync. I like to eat depending on my phase, and of course you can't really know unless you're charting and you're aware of when you're ovulating, when your luteal phase starts, when all these things are happening. So through charting, I get to see, I'm like, okay, today I started my luteal phase. I'm gonna grocery shop for these types of foods that benefit my hormones in this phase. Like, you don't have to do that, but that's something I do, and this course has helped me to pinpoint what, you know, what phase I'm in and what foods are beneficial for me in that phase. And it's just so fun. It's so fun. So I don't know, I hope you do it if you're thinking of it, and sending a big hug. So when I wake up, I go to my Tempdrop app and I just simply click this button until it starts flashing green, and I put sync temp, and it's loading, and boom, it's synced. So it tells me the little number, and then I quickly go to my Read Your Body app. It's set to today, and I go here and I go get temp over here. It's already connected to the Tempdrop app. So boom, that's my temperature. That's it, super easy.